Good morning. This demonstration is to help teachers learn how to use an online video interactive program with your students. The one that we decided to use is one that's already contained in the Google Suite. It is referred to as Google Meet. And I'm going to show you today as a teacher how you can set up a Google Meet with your students. The students may use their Google Chromebooks and have audio and video on there so that they can see you and you can see them. The way you start a Google Meet is to go in and launch your Google application by using the Google icon in the not a personal account. It must be OCESD for you to connect with your students. So what you're going to do here is next to where you log in, there's something called the waffle. And if you click on the little waffle, you're going to go down and you're looking for your calendar. So I'm going to click on the calendar. The next thing you need to do is choose a time when you want your students to be online with you. This is going to be relatively hard to have every single one of your students on at exactly the same time. So this probably isn't going to be like a mandatory kind of a demonstration. It's going to be something, hey, this is a time to check in with Mrs. Lytle on your accounts to see if you're having any trouble with your homework. You can talk to me. We can chat for a few minutes just to check in with your kids. So that's what this is actually going to be used for at this time. You may find another time that you can use it for something else. So I'm going to choose that my Google Meet is going to be Friday at 9 a.m. So on my calendar, I find March 27th at 9 a.m., sorry. And I'm going to move my Google Meet to 9 a.m. And my calendar in here, I say this is going to be a Google Meet. And I'm just going to name it that. You can say that it's Teresa Lytle's 6th grade class. You can name it whatever you'd like. In here, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add guests. The guests are your students. So instead of me having students, I'm going to use some of my teachers. So I'm going to use Kathy, and Kathy Petak comes up. I'll use Lori. Lori Maturino will come up, and I'll use Tim, and so on and so on. Does that make sense? You guys all know who your students are. I'm just going to use a small group of people here. I don't need to add a room. I don't need to add a description. I may want to time to check in with teacher, so I can add that in, time with teacher, and I could type that in, but that's not necessary. So I've got that in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on more options. When I click on the more options, it goes in and it tells me what would I like to do. And in here, I am going to say add conferencing. Right, this little button here that says add conferencing, I'm going to click on that and put Hangouts Meet. That's really important so that they know what tool. When I click on the Google Hangouts Meet, it will give me an icon and a link. Now this link will be automatically added to the other user, to the other teacher, to the other student. It will be added to their calendar and even send them a reminder. You can send them a notification, let's say, 5 minutes before it starts, to say you have a Google Meet. So once I do that, the Google Meet is scheduled for March 27th, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I can reduce that time because I may not be online the whole time. And the date that it's going to be, these are the users or the people that I have asked to be my guests. And now all I need to do is click Save. It asks me, would you like to send invitations to the Google Calendar guests? Those are my guests over here. And I'm going to click Send. Now what it does is it sends those people an email. And the email comes to their inbox, and in the inbox you're going to see something that looks like this, and this information right here will be there. So that's what the student or that's what the teacher will see when that comes into their inbox, and it will come as an email into their inbox. Then what they do at the date when it's on their calendar, they click on Join Google Meet, and this is what it will look like to them. They will come on here and they will click Join Now. And that's just about all they have to do. They do this at the time that you have scheduled to have them meet. I hope this helps in setting up the Google Meet, and I'd love to hear some successes that you have by using Google Meet. And